Hi, this is Mel. Today we're going to do wonton soup. For that I put in a pot some water, about 2 cups of water, and added some seaweed, and I'm just going to cook this seaweed for a little time until they are mixed. Now remember, seaweeds has salt in it, lots of salt. As the water boils, I'm going to drop some scallion chopped, and as the scallion and seaweed chopped to cook, I will add some wonton. These are vegetable wonton, and they are pre-cooked, pre-packaged. You can find it in the grocery store, frozen wonton, and buy them, and you can make soup out of it. And now as these all are boiling for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add chopped up cilantro leaves and some chopped up bok choy. Now everything cooked, and you add some more bok choy on top, and enjoy.